everybody watching this video. My name is Jaden and I'm going to show you today how to do a wheelie. But first I'm going to show you how I do it. Okay, now I'm going to show you which gears I use. Okay, the gears I put the one at the front in the middle and the one at the back, the the fourth smallest one, and that's the gears. Now that your gears is right, I'm going to show you where your pedals should be. 3. If your right leg is your strong leg, your pedal should be in line with your frame. And if your left leg is your strong leg, it should be the opposite, also in line with your frame. My mistake, your back gear should actually be your first biggest one, and that's actually the right gear. Now I'm gonna show you how to hold your balance when you do a wheelie. First you would want to find your back brakes, and then you see if it works perfectly, and because you're gonna need it. And if you get your wheel up and you feel like you're going too much backwards, you just press it, you will get fine, but don't press too hard because otherwise you're gonna fall a lot hard. And yeah, if you just tap it the whole time, if you go too much backwards. And if you want to stop, you just stop pedaling, and if you're too much backwards, you just press brake and you will go forward, and then you're done. Okay, now that you know all the basics of doing a wheelie, I'm going to actually show you how to do it. You do everything right that I told you. You stand ready and you give yourself a kick, and with that kick you must, with your right leg or your left leg, your leg that you use your strongest, and yeah, you just pick yourself up for all time and just try to do it for all time until you get your wheel up, and yeah, just pick yourself up. Okay, after doing that, you want to pick yourself up, but don't stop pedaling, pedal the whole time like this. So, like you see now there, I didn't press brakes to stop, I just stopped pedaling. That's how I stopped now there, but yeah, so that's how you're going to do it, and you never stop pedaling. And if you get scared, or if you think you're falling back, just tap a little bit your brakes and you will be fine. And just do it the whole time, over and over and over, until you get it right. So practice makes perfect. And yeah. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it. Sorry for my weird accent, I'm actually Afrikaans, and please do try it at home.